South Australia is the hub of the Australian washed potato market, representing 85% of the supply into South Australia, Victoria, New South Wales and Queensland. So it's a big employer for South Australia. If you take a look at our quality compares to other products around the world, we're world leading in terms of our skin finish and the high quality standards set by our customers. So we're standing above the multi-million dollar investment at Thomas Foods International Fresh Produce. 6 months ago we turned on a world-leading technology manufactured by Compact with their Spectrum offering. The uniqueness of it is offering greater grading accuracy through colour grading as well as infrared grading. What this solution will provide to our customers, and that includes the major retailers in Australia with Coles and Woolworths, as well as exporting potatoes around the world, is a fresher, better graded product. In terms of locally, we're in store sort of next day for South Australia, close to that for Victorian distribution centres. What we're finding is that we're able to pick up early rots that previously were undetectable. So what we're seeing is a lower rejection rate and improved quality from our feedback from our customers. And what we aim to do as an industry is promote more consumer awareness and get them a lot more good news stories about the benefits of eating fresh washed potatoes in a balanced diet. For the potatoes that are going through the line here this morning, we would have harvested yesterday afternoon. They go into our wash bay here, goes through our hydro cooler, which is bringing down the core temperature of the potato to assist in shelf life further down the track for the consumer. Then we start running it through our new grading line. It's then packed into our loading dock and on the truck same day.